I follow some people on YouTube who make charts and use Excel for graphing and data analysis. But I use Google Sheets. So when I come across a video like this one, make awesome Excel visuals like the Economist Magazine, I want to try to make it in Google Sheets. So this is how I do this. So the first thing I do is I copy this, and then I come to Google Keep and I paste that into Google Keep and let it sync. And next I click these three dots and I grab image text, and then that gives me too much information. So actually I want to take each of these columns individually, so otherwise it gets funky. So let's try this again. So I will just take the names. Again, click on the three dots and click grab image text. And then now I have my list of names. Now I'm gonna do the next one. So I'm gonna delete this photo. Okay, and go back to the video and then copy the average pollution for each city and paste it in. I'm using Command Shift 4, by the way, to make this copy. And then I just use Command V to paste it in, and now I have all the numbers. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to my three dots, click grab image text, and now I have all that. So now I'm going to take this and put it into Google Sheets. So I need to open a new sheet by sheets.new. Okay. Now I know that there's another column there, so I don't want to put that in the first column. Actually, I'll just paste it like that. There's going to be formatting, but that's okay. Then average pollution, and finally we'll do the rank. Okay, so it took average and pollution and put them on different lines, which is fine. Delete cell and shift up. Okay, let's grab the rank. Of course, I could do that in Google Sheets. There's a sequence function, but why not? So again, delete the photo. Again, delete the photo, paste it in, go back to the three dots, grab image text, and it kind of pasted funky, which is to be expected sometimes. Okay, so now we have the rank, and go back to the sheet, paste it in. Okay, now I'm gonna combine these two. And then to remove the formatting, I'm just gonna select everything and go to Format and clear formatting. So this is what it looks like. So it looks like this is just a heat map. Okay, so what he's doing is he is formatting it here first. And for some reason, Pakistan and China are white. Don't know why. Dude, new. Okay, well, so the first thing, they want these like that. All right. Okay, a few things. I want to find out what color this is, so I need my ColorZilla is on a different browser. Okay, well I'll do colors later. So what I can do is I can some stuff. You can center some stuff. I don't know, that's weird. I guess none of them are centered. Okay. Okay, next he has these bolded. Probably a different font, but we'll just use Arial for now. And then he removed the lines. Right? Yeah, remove grid lines. And then colored it blue. I'm just gonna color everything blue. And now I need to add those white lines. So I'll go here and make them a little bit thicker and color them white. Okay, so now we have this. So yeah, he's using a formatting heat map function.
With the colors.
So and it looks like if it's 110 or below, so we can go. Okay, so we can do this. Go to format, conditional formatting, color scale, and we'll do a heat map. Okay, so here we have a kind of heat map. Actually, if I were to do this, I would do the whole thing. All right, so we're getting closer. I do like it going to blue. So let's do custom color scale. So the maximum value, the hottest, will be this color, and the coldest will be, let's say, this color. So there we go. Now it's kind of changing a little bit. I think they had a little bit more purple. There we go. Maybe they had it blue. And then they had the middle purple. This is better. Well, see, this looks hotter than this. It is hotter than that. Why is New Delhi 119? That must be from when yeah. So when I brought that picture into Google Keep, it messed up the temperature. Yeah, let's see. Okay, that looks a little bit better. Okay, and then from here you can manipulate it further. We could do this. I could watch the video to see why these three countries are in white. Thank you for watching.